Hi guys, welcome to Digital Rakesh channel. So guys, who will be not subscribe channel, please subscribe our channel will be for the new beginners. So everyone creating for YouTube channel. So in this YouTube channel, how we can making for video for the particular PPT presentation, nothing but PowerPoint presentation video, how we can make it that. So how we helping for with your own voice. We can give by own voice. This is nothing but we have to using for voice maker. This is using for voice maker in. This will be using for automatic language will be translate. Next one from text to speech.com. Any PPT we can make the video by using your voice also. Now the English text will be making as a voice. So this will be voice maker and from text to speech.com. Same like that, lot of websites will be there here. These are the website will be here. Voicemaker.in from text to speech.com. text-to-speech.org, tcsmp3.com, and ispeech.org test.2.speech websites. And video making purpose we can using for these websites. But now we can making a video for PowerPoint presentation video. So first of all, any kind of business, first you can making for presentation for PPT. The PPT was first of all I'm open here. In this option will be here. See this. So in this option will be just what are the PPT I'm open, everything done. In this PPT, first you can minimum making slides for the 15 slides or 10 above slides is main required. After that, we can say will be PPT is done. After that, save as the option name is called MP4 format. The option will be called MP4 format. Suppose your PowerPoint presentation MP4 is not available, just you can go to Google MP4 converter Microsoft Office. Here will be get for this one. The simple you have to install for get. You can click for install this option. Every Microsoft will be supporting for MP4 option. So now this I'm converting into the video format MPG4. I'm converting to here. Most famous best Indian hostelers in Canada. Just the presentation will be if give the music or not. We can download music from YouTube. Where music will be download? Just go to the manage video. In this manage video, the option name is called audio library. This all will be free music. We can play and download the music. We can use it. There's no worry about that. The particular option. In this window 10, they're providing for existing video editing software. Video editing software. Just you can search here. This is a video editing software. Suppose this is not available. Just video editor Windows 10. You will get by in this option. Simply here will be Oppo and photo here. Everything will be given here. I already have the option. So it is already in this. These all options are here. This is for existing editor software they're providing for Microsoft here. In this select a project, they're asking for this is a new project. They're asking for this is the new project. Here, the main thing first the PP will be converting video format done. After that, we have two screens are very important. Welcome screen and subscribe screen. That will be showing to the customer will be like this. So this will be compulsory. You can use the particular subscribe option. Next will be welcome image. We can using for welcome image. First welcome end screen, add here, which is a making a PPT video, select it and drag to the video editing. How to adding for voice, how to adding for video, everything I'll tell you that. First you can adding for image and the pattern. There will be. After that, we can doing option will be here, the patterns. Here, first of all, order you can select it. Then, next one, what is our common video? We can add it here. So everything will be here. The particular option will be here. Done. Here the option will be place the storyboard. Here is the storyboard. Each video we can add by music. We can add it. Select here. Here, custom audio. You're selecting for audio option. Here, what are the music will be here? We can add the particular music. The music will be added by the particular option. I'll show the music here. So music here, you can listen any music will be here and click for music. After that, you can play the music. See this. This will be free music for the particular option will be given by the in this category. So yeah, after that, everything will be play in a particular option. So yeah, first of all, everything will be here. So what are the video will be here? Sometimes video will be problem for anything. So you can check for every option will be in this. So yeah, then mean by I'm not to close the PPT option. Just remove the clip, remove the clip. I can add that. Once again, I will be click here. Where is the clip here? Here we can add the clip option. This here is the play the music. So continue the you can play the music here. I will be start. Everything will be here. So all options are here clear. Another thing you can go for in option. So final this option will be in between we can add any content will be here. You can add will be right click here. In this everything will be here. The particular option. Here add the title card. Anything title card required, you can add the title card. Not required, close it. Here will be simple one. Select and place the board. After that and arrange your patterns. That's all. After that, select your option. In this one, anything not require the music, see this one. Deselect it, custom audio. Here are the selected. In this, click for done. Now up to only we can add in for 3-1, music will be started. After that, so how we can selecting for this option? The video will be selected here. Here, finishing for step. Finishing video. This will be high recommendation for 1080 pixel. And here one more question is there. So how we can add in for your own voice? So in this purpose, you can hold down, open your content, where the content will be here, copy. Here two options are there, voice maker here. In the selecting, we have to selecting will be language will be English US and Indian English also will be available in this here. Select option, only two will be free, remain all will be paid. Into simple will be converting to the speech option, download for MP3. This will be converted here. After that, they play the video. After you can download this option. After downloading here, just we have to select here the specific option and you can casting for background music and custom audio will be added this option. So your specific time will be you can have to adjustment in this option here. So adjustment is more important to make a video. You can add your music, your custom audio and the particular video option. And you can using for camera one, each one we have to make the videos are there. We can upload for the video and background will be using will be uploaded for separately. One by one upload by a particular option. So this is a method we can using for Windows 10 video editor software. Suppose it is not available. In this purpose, we have to use an option called is called Easy Video Maker. That is a easymakervideo.com, the particular website. In this one, it will be supporting for making video for PPT. So just same video will be uploaded for same procedure. But this will be uploaded for up to 5 minutes will be free. More than 5 minutes not providing for free will be here. Up to 5 minutes they're providing for particular option. So this is a method you can using for two things. And few more softwares are there to make the videos. Video softdeveloper.com, EasyEdit, but EasyEdit only we can add by music. Custom dimension we can't add. Next will be openshot.org. So this also will be very supporting for particular things. But I'm not using the software, the OpenShot, but I'm using for VSDC here. Here one more benefit is called we have to start option will be called screen recording option also will be there in the particular VSDC. This will be edited. This will be screen recorder option. We can start screen recording and we can make the videos same like our channel how we can making for videos same like that. This will be not for copyright. Is your own content you publish for YouTube channel to more views and subscriber get the business purpose. Who are I'm not making for video by camera, we can make the PPT presentation properly. They'll convert into video format, add your welcome screen and subscriber screen, and increase your viewers on the particular option wise. So that is a very help for the in these editors. The major one is called go for it in the particular editor is called Windows 10 free editor. If you are using for Windows 8, go for video editor and install it and use it. Finally, it is done. Finish the video. Export for high pixel video. This one. Export option will be there. And finally, we have to recommend it by the where you can save the video. Select it and a particular folder in this. Here will be all options are there. So it will be coming to the customers. Guys are making a video not for fun. This will be supporting for in a particular users to increase the business and viewership purpose. Once export is done, the video will be playing 100% successfully to increase the viewers purpose. So export is going on. You had to wait for certain seconds. Just give me a few seconds. The video will be play here. Now, this is the method we have to making a video by using for PowerPoint presentation. So yeah. So these all options are here. There's a making for particular video option here. This is a way we can making for video by using PowerPoint presentations where you can save for here where your final video is there for making video is the video. So we can use the option will be here. So this is the options. We can use the free music and start the video making by using for PowerPoint presentation. Only one thing remember, making a PowerPoint presentation, proper screens, and don't repeat the first screen number of times. It will be failure by the same video. Same video we can use in number of times. You can change it for first screen and middle of the screen is more important to the get business to your particular business.